Hello everybody, Jack from Theme Park UK here, and I know it's been almost a month since I made a video in this series. However, it's back today and I'm going to be explaining the accident that occurred on the Treetop Twister at Lightwater Valley in 2001. But first we need to learn a little bit more about what the Treetop Twister actually is. Treetop Twister, now known as simply Twister, is a spinning coaster manufactured by Revachon, which opened in May of 2001, only a couple of months before the accident would occur. It is located at Lightwater Valley in Yorkshire, which is best known for being the home of the Ultimate, the longest roller coaster in Europe. It has a standard Wild Mouse layout, which features very sharp turns and small drops. However, as it is a spinning coaster, this allows the ride vehicle to spin as it completes the layout. Now we know what the ride is, we can now understand what happened in this accident a little bit better. On the 20th of June 2001, two friends decided to visit Lightwater Valley for a day out. Little did they know that it would end horribly. The two decided to ride what was then known as the Treetop Twister. The ride started normally until the carriage that they were in stopped, due to the fact that the carriage in front had not cleared the block section. Due to faulty wiring that was present on the coaster, the ride operator was able to use a manual control panel. This allowed the block section to be overridden, causing a collision between the car that the two students were in and the car in front. Two impacts occurred, with the second reportedly being the most forceful and damaging. This caused devastating injuries to Gemma Savage, who was airlifted to Leeds General Infirmary. Her friend, who was with her on the ride, Joseph Shimon, was injured, but not as severely, suffering whiplash and back pain. Gemma Savage succumbed to her injuries the day after, dying on the 21st of June 2001, leaving behind a grief-stricken family and her friend Joseph, who survived the incident. An investigation ensued which concluded with various people and organisations facing fines for the crash. In October of 2004, the court ruled that the death was caused by misadventure. The owners of Lightwater Valley and electrician Eric Butters admitted breaking health and safety laws in November of 2006, and Lightwater Valley was charged with failing to ensure rider safety, and the electrician was charged to failing to ensure safety through his work. Manufacturer Revachon was convicted of two charges of failing to ensure the ride's safe design and construction. The ride reopened in 2002, which dropped the treetop from its name, and is now simply known as Twister. It is still operating to this day, and has seen no incidents since. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you've learnt something new. As always, videos in this series are to explain coaster incidents and what measures were put in place to prevent them happening again. However, they are not made to put you off. Coasters are extremely safe, however sometimes things do go wrong, but that is very rare. My thoughts are with the people affected by this incident. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in a new video.